Do you agree with me on this? That we as a human are prone to making mistakes and that we should always learn from it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 mistakes that I personally have made in 2023, because we as a human, as I told you, we always make mistakes, but it's not like we cannot learn from it. So that's why make sure that you watch the video from the beginning till the end and let me know in the comment section if you can relate to the same, that somewhere or the other, even if you have made the same mistake, I would love to hear that from you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting with number 1 is losing a track of posting regularly on my YouTube channel. You won't believe, when I started my channel, I had this target of reaching at least 1,000 subscribers in the first year, and I missed it just because I personally feel that I didn't post it regularly on YouTube and I lost my track. And trust me when I say this, it is really hard to manage your side hustle alongside with your full-time job and your personal life, and I have learned my lesson. So in this year, in 2024, I have made a proper plan and I'm gonna post regularly on my YouTube. Let me know in the comment section if any of you is a social media creator or having any side hustle where you personally feel that you have not been consistent and that you have missed your target. But as I said in the starting of the video, we as a human always make mistakes somewhere or the other and we can learn from it. So it's not end of the world, we can always restart. The second mistake that I think I have made in 2023 is not setting a daily routine. Especially when you have a full-time job, you are doing your side hustle, you are living on your own, so you have so many stuff to do. So I feel that you should always set your daily routine by making schedules and then sticking it to it. In my case personally, I didn't have any of it. I was just going with the flow. Some days I used to wake up early in the morning, some days I used to not, and that made me miss out on so many things. Few days I was late to office and whatnot. And I also think that just because I didn't had any routine set, that's why I was not consistent in posting videos on my YouTube channel. But from this year, I have decided to make a daily routine and sticking it to it, because this way I personally feel it will teach me discipline and also it will help me achieve my plans. On to number 3 is not keeping a track of my targets and my plans that I have decided for myself in 2023, and I feel somewhere or the other number 2 has made me not keeping a track of my plan, because since I didn't have any daily routine, so I made the mistake by not prioritizing which task to do first and which task to do at the last, and I was just taking the way how it was coming in my way, like how I said in the beginning that I was just going with the flow. And that made me realize now that why I lost the track of my plans and targets, because I was not organized myself. So from this year I decided that I should keep myself organized by following a proper routine and also keeping a track of what I have decided for this year. Is it achievable? Can I do it in the time frame that I have? In case I have more work, can I reduce my target to a bit so that I can achieve all these things, so that when it comes to December 2024, I don't feel that I have made the same mistake again in my life. So yeah, this is what I have decided in 2024. Let's hope that I follow it. On to number 4 is not keeping a track of my expenses. And let me tell you, it hits you really bad when you actually check your bank account in the end of the month and then you realize that, oh my god, how much have you spent it in this particular month. And I realized from my mistake, going forward from this year, I'm going to make like a proper monthly budget so that I'm not overspending on my budget. Because this is a really good habit that I personally feel we all should have, that we are keeping a monthly budget and then we are sticking into it. If it goes slightly higher or under, then it's fine, but you should not overspend your budget, because monthly budget not only organizes your finances but also help you in invest for your future and help you save more. The last one is not investing my money. So any money sitting in your bank account is losing its value. So you can take this as a financial advice and start investing from now if you want to. So in my case, as I mentioned, that I was not keeping a track of my money, so I exactly didn't know how much I was saving in a month and I was just going with the flow. So going forward from 2024, I have decided that after I have created my monthly budget, I'm gonna keep aside a certain amount to invest, so that I'm investing and growing my money for my future. Because this way you are filling all the criterias of being financially healthy by making a proper budget, spending based on your budget, and then saving your money and investing it so that you are growing your saving at the same time. So let me know if any of you somehow or the other personally feel guilty that you have not invested your money in 2023. Don't worry, as I have said, it's not end of the world. You can still start investing and grow your money. That's it from me. This video was slightly different from the content that I usually post on my YouTube channel because I thought to share with you the mistake that I have made last year. So I hope that you like my video. Drop down in the comment section if you personally feel of making any of the mistakes that I have mentioned in my video. In case if you are someone who is watching my video for the very first time, I really want your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. I come up with all such amazing content every week. So with that being said, bye for now.